Alrighty guys, so our dumbbell split squat. Now, just like a lunge, I'm gonna do this to the front as well so you can see. But we wanna come, take that foot straight back. From here, keep that chest proud with a slight dynamic hinge. We're then coming down, getting that touch of the knee, driving back up. If I come around to the front, notice where my feet go, so front of my feet, taking straight back, but what I'm not doing is I'm not closing that line, I'm going to an inline lunge. So, shoulder width, straight back. From here, hips are moving straight up and down, dynamic hinge, slightly forward, knee touches, drive back up. Split squat.